The short answer for why popcorn pops is the small amount of water trapped inside the kernel. As the kernel heats up to a high temperature, water transforms into steam, increasing the pressure inside. The popcorn traps this pressure inside the shell. When the temperature is high enough, the steam begins to expand. At some point, the popcorn shell can't contain the pressure anymore, and it pops. Steam comes rushing out of the shell, turning the kernel inside out. Why do some popcorn kernels not pop? No matter how long you try, some kernels never seem to pop. Every popcorn kernel is a little different than the others. If it contains too much or too little water moisture, it won't pop properly. The ideal water level of popcorn is around 15%. What can you do with popcorn kernels that don't pop? Put the leftover kernels in a jar and add 1 teaspoon of water per cup of kernels. Close the jar and shake it thoroughly. Let it sit for 1 to 3 days, then try to pop them again. At what pressure does popcorn need? When the temperature inside the popcorn reaches around 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the pressure is about 145 psi, 950 kPa. These are optimal conditions for the water to quickly turn into steam and pop the kernel. What country eats the most popcorn? The United States is the leading popcorn producer and consumer in the world. If you are interested in how the Apple Watch water ejection system works, check out this video or watch another video recommended for you.